Hi, everyone, and welcome to SQM Picks. I'm David Lipton. SQM Picks highlights businesses that provide outstanding customer service or have interesting products. Businesses that have been featured range from small mom-and-pop companies to some of the larger international brands. Our feature company today is Caplan's Appliances. Located near Lawrence and Weston Road, this family-run business has been operating since the early 1940s. The store offers a large number of products ranging from your standard washers, dryers, stoves, and fridges to luxury brands such as Sub-Zero and Wolf. They also have an outlet area which offers great pricing on various models. In addition to simply selling the appliances, if you're in the process of renovating your kitchen, the Caplan's team is there to assist you. Aside from their great selection of popular brands, Caplan's has also built a reputation for taking care of their customers, whether it's their delivery services, taking care of warranty issues, or arranging for repairs. Rest assured, you'll be in good hands. For more information about the company, you can visit their website at caplans.ca or call them at 416-767-1655. If you know of a company that provides great products or amazing service, please send us an email to sqmpicks@sqm.ca. Thanks for watching and look for another episode of SQM Picks shortly.